Kling AI has been making waves as a video generator, but does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into what makes this tool tick, especially for creators looking to streamline their video production. Kling AI positions itself as a user-friendly solution for generating videos quickly and efficiently. The core functionality revolves around transforming text into engaging video content. You simply input your script and the AI takes over, adding visuals, transitions, and even background music. This could be a game changer for marketers, educators, or anyone looking to produce content without extensive video editing skills. What stands out immediately is the intuitive interface, making it accessible for beginners. However, while it's great for quick outputs, I found some areas lacking in customization. The templates are somewhat limited, which could frustrate users who want more control over their video aesthetics. Additionally, the AI's ability to understand nuanced instructions seems a bit hit or miss, which might leave more experienced creators wanting. Overall, Kling AI offers a solid entry point for those new to video creation, but it may not fully satisfy users looking for advanced features. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Kling AI is incredibly easy to use, which is perfect for beginners. The time-saving aspect is significant. Turning scripts into videos in minutes can be a lifesaver. However, the limitations are hard to ignore. The lack of advanced editing features means that more seasoned users might feel constrained. There's also a question of trust. While the AI performs well, it doesn't always hit the mark with contextually rich content. Pricing isn't transparent either, which could deter some potential users. For those who need quick, straightforward video generation, it's worth trying. But if you're a professional looking for depth and flexibility, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Kling AI is a solid choice for beginners or those needing quick video outputs. However, if you're seeking advanced features or greater customization, you may want to look elsewhere. It's a tool worth trying if you fit the right profile, but it's not without its limitations.